Now let's go to seizure disorders. Let's call on Miss Angel Po. Good evening, Miss Angel.
Good evening po, Doc. Good evening po.
What is epilepsy?
Epilepsy refers to a recurrent paroxysmal neurological disorder characterized by sudden brief episode of altered consciousness. Ano po siya? Recurrent seizure po siya, Doc.
Okay. Ano po yung characteristics of seizures?
Yung characteristic po ni seizure ay may sudden loss of awareness po, Doc, or loss of conscious. Meron siyang uncontrollable jerking movements, emotional changes, abnormal eye movement, drooling po, and blank staring and noise making po, Doc. May lip smacking po siya.
Mhm. Can you tell us more about the types of generalized seizure? Ano ba yung generalized seizure?
Yes, Doc. Meron po yung apat na kinds po, Doc. Yung absence seizure po, atonic seizure, myoclonic seizure, and tonic and clonic seizure po, Doc.
Okay. What about yung partial seizure type?
Yung partial seizure po natin, Doc, ay may two types po tayo, which is yung complex partial seizure and yung simple partial seizure po, Doc.
Tell us more about grand mal seizures.
Si grand mal seizure, siya po si tonic-clonic seizure, formerly known as grand mal seizure po, Doc, comprise two stages, a tonic phase, which is muscle rigidity, and the clonic phase, which is the uncontrolled twitching or jerking, loss of consciousness po, Doc.
Okay. Presentations po ng grand mal seizures.
Okay, Doc. So, ang presentation po ni grand mal seizures po, Doc, is tonic activity. When the tonic-clonic seizure begin, the person loses consciousness and may fall po, Doc. Uh, Strong tonic spasm of the muscle can force air out of the lungs, resulting in cry or moan. So, there may be saliva or foam coming from the mouth, or pwede rin nilang mabite po yung tongue nila and cheeks. Pwede
Okay.
naman, ito naman, Doc, yung clonic activity, ito naman po yung nagda-jerk po, jerking movements, the face and the arms po, Doc. Tapos, na ano rin po yung bowel or bladder nila. After seizure naman, Doc, maaari silang ma-embarrass or medyo matagal po silang nag-sleep tapos na-snore po sila, Doc.
Myoclonic seizures. What?
Myoclonic seizures. Myoclonic seizure are brief shock like jerks or of a muscle or a group of muscles. That's why they call it myo.
Myoclone.
Means muscle and clonus means rapidly alternating contraction and relaxation, jerking or twitching. Um, Twitching of a muscle. They're very brief jerks po, Doc. Even people without epilepsy can experience myoclonus in hiccups or in a sudden jerk that may wake you up as you're just falling asleep po. Ito po yung parang natutulog ka tapos parang
Nag-jerk.
naramdaman mong parang nalaglag ka ganun, Doc.
Ay, okay. So, hindi na kailangan first aid.
Hindi naman, Doc, kasi parang natulog ka lang tapos parang lahat tayo nakakaramdam nun mo minsan eh, lalo pag pagod po, Doc.
Okay. Atonic seizures.
Tonic seizure po, Doc, ito po yung muscle tone is the muscle normal tension. Atonic means without tone po. So, in an atonic seizure, muscles suddenly lose strength, the eyelids may droop, the head may nod, and the person may drop things and often fall to the ground. Kaya po ito tinatawag na drop attack po, Doc. So, these seizures are also called drop attack or drop seizure. The person usually remain conscious. Another name for these seizures is akinetic po, which means without movement. So, nangyayari po ito ng less than 15 seconds po, Doc.
Okay. What about PT mal seizures, particularly the absent seizures?
Okay, Doc. Ito po, Doc, yung tinatawag nating staring spell or parang nakatitig po siya pero hindi naman po pala kayo tinititigan or nagde-daydream po tong tao na to.
Okay.
So the person having an absent seizure will typically stop moving and stare in one direction for 15 seconds or less. So minsan ang feeling ko nangyayari to sa akin, Doc, eh. Parang
Okay.
natutulala tayo. Ngayon ko lang naisip na baka nagsi-seizure na po ako. Charot. So the episode resolved on its own, and though the person may not remember what happened during the seizure, their normal state of alertness returned immediately afterwards po, Doc.
Okay, and finally, so when do you refer out? Kailan
So,
mo tatawag ng tulong?
yes, Doc. Siyempre, Doc, tatawag po tayo ng tulong kung ang seizure po ay nagtagal po ng more than 5 minutes or check natin yung breathing niya, baka nag-stop. And the patient's experiencing heat exhaustion, patient is pregnant, pwedeng may brain injury, pwede ring nag-seizure na siya, tapos nag-seizure po siya ulit. So, nag-follow immediately po yung seizure. Yun po, Doc.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you po, Doc.
Angel, you did so well.
Thank you very much po.
Congratulations.